ya mbaika ukonetend counties mathurka mondo ket maine chendo ma choko osuru kokale yor lony ma nyasani kaka yor dinrode moko ma osuru ma ichoko kuom jopiny nyalo lalgo. Mbaika wacho ni counties mathoth e pacho ka ni kod teko ma choko osuru margi mang'eny maginyalo konyo chwalo chendo mag dongruok ne jopiny to mana ka oket chendo makare ma choko osuru e lony ma nyasani. Okonitie counties ma chako chendo ma choko osuru kokale yor lony ma nyasani kendo gichoko osuru mathoth. Mbaika losi kinde mane olimo Gavana Wanga kama Gavana Wanga ne oyango ikruok ma oseketo mana ni osuru ma ichoko e county otige yo mowinjore.
There is a lot of encouragement to the counties to also unleash their potential, because the potential is there, and we commend the governor. Look at the journey. Last year, same time, the collection of 318. And this year, the same time, 674. That tells you something. There must be something they are doing different to ensure that they enhance their own source revenue. And one thing I've noted is embracing technology.
We did the Revenue Administration Act, then we did the Revenue Board Act, which enabled us to bring on board a team of dedicated people whose job is just revenue collection, away from finance, which also has many other responsibilities other than revenue collection. And then we have tried very, very hard to deal with the issues of integrity issues with them, because the biggest problem is pilferage. We've tried to deal with those at the administrative level. We've tried to digitize so that we're able to be more transparent.